a big decision that's likely to have major political ramifications. Nitish Kumar and Lalu Prasad Yadav have finally announced that they will jointly contest the upcoming Bihar Assembly polls. A formal alliance between the RJD and the JDU was announced a short while ago. Talks on seat sharing will follow soon, and a 6-member panel will look into that issue.
आज की इस बैठक में ये निश्चित हुआ है कि आरजेडी एवं जेडीयू की तरफ से 3 सदस्यों की एक समिति सीटों के बंटवारे को तय करेगी तथा दोनों दलों के नेता सीटों को अंतिम रूप देंगे और शीघ्र ही इस कार्यवाही को संपन्न कर लिया जाएगा।
सर, कौन-कौन से मेंबर बनाए गए दोनों दलों से?
मेंबर जो बनाए गए उनके नाम में डिस्क्लोज नहीं करूंगा।
सर, मुख्यमंत्री पद को लेकर जो पूरा गहमा-गहमी
कोई गहमा-गहमी नहीं है, वो सब बाद में तय हो जाएगा।
हमारी होंगे नेता फिर?
ये सब अभी कुछ नहीं इस मामले में तय हुआ है, ये सब बाद में तय होगा। अभी केवल सीटों के बंटवारा जो असली चीज थी, जो हर्डिल था, उस पर निश्चय हो गया है और अब ये तय हो गया कि गठबंधन के आधार पर चुनाव लड़ा जाएगा।
समिति अपनी रिपोर्ट देगी।
ये मर्जा तो बिहार के चुनाव के बाद हो ही जाएगा, मर्जा तो तय है।
The Janata Parivar which you are talking, it is in the context of Bihar. It seems that all these disgruntled forces who have accepted defeat in Bihar today are trying to regroup to oppose the Bharatiya Janata Party. I think the game is over. The people in Bihar have already decided for a change, and these disgruntled elements of so-called political system in Bihar who are talking about a parivar to oppose the BJP is going to be trounced by the people of the state, and of course BJP is going to come back to power with a full majority for the first time in the state of Bihar.
And tracking that story for us is my colleague Sandeep Hukun, who now joins us on the phone line. Sandeep, certainly a big development that an alliance between the RJD and the JDU finally being sealed. It is likely to have major ramifications for the Bihar Assembly polls, but one question still remains unanswered. Who is going to lead this alliance?
Well, actually, that's the key question, Neha. I mean, I would put it this way, that, of course, there's been an agreement. I think, as I've been reporting through the day with you, that every party who's been in this meeting realizes that they cannot afford to really divide what is being seen as the anti-BJP vote. They would try to strive for the maximum, the broadest alliance that could work out. They would even want to approach the left parties, as I have been saying, even though the left has shunned their move. So in that context, yes, they have said that elections in Bihar will take place in an alliance where the RJD, Lalu Prasad's RJD, Nitish Kumar's JDU, and the Congress party would be part of the alliance. NCP is also likely to join in. So this bit has been made clear by Ram Gopal Yadav. But who is going to be the chief ministerial candidate, or who's going to be the face of this alliance? That's something that they are not ready to answer as yet. Of course, they keep saying in good political language that has never been under any kind of dispute. But remember, nobody has clearly said that Nitish Kumar is going to be our leader, or he will be the face of the alliance. That has not been said after today's meeting. Congress on its own had said that they support Nitish Kumar's candidature as chief ministerial candidate. But in this meeting, what has been decided, two very, very important things. One is that the elections would be fought in an alliance, and two, that there would be a committee who would go into the issue of seat sharing. Remember that this alliance also doesn't have too much time on their hands. Bihar elections would take place in 3 to 4 months' time, so they'll really have to stitch up all these issues as soon as possible. Yeah.